parkingan dito sa basement ng Citygate Mall of Buhangin, Davao City. So, punta tayo dito sa mall dahil may bibilhin tayo. At kakain na din for our lunch. Alright, here we go. We gotta park here. Lawak ng ano nila dito. Parkingan. So, dito kami nag-park. Okay, parking kayo dito. Place ng mga gutom. Ayan, Greenwich guy. No, it's not.
Ayo.
No, you have to do exercise. Go get your order.
Don't make me fat yet.
Yeah, maybe it's not yours. Now it's yours. Go.
Exercise. So they can only do one. Yo. You want some?